In the event of an emergency, evacuate all chlorine from within the vessel before opening the door. Chlorine can be detected when the vacuum pressure gauge registers pressure, or if the pressure check valve indicates chlorine is present when wicked with ammonia. If you are unable to completely evacuate the vessel through the primary supply system, you will need to switch the vacuum regulator to the alternative supply to complete the evacuation. In order to do this, first close the exterior chlorine supply valve attached to the vacuum regulator. Remove the vacuum regulator from the exterior chlorine supply valve. Attach the vacuum regulator to the alternate exterior chlorine supply valve. Install a new gasket and make sure that the connection is secure. Open the alternate exterior chlorine supply ball valve and check it with ammonia to ensure there are no leaks.